Our planet is in grave danger, facing unprecedented challenges that threaten our very existence. We are facing a climate emergency that demands immediate and sustained action from all of us. Temperatures are rising at an alarming rate, ice caps are melting faster than ever, and extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and intense. The consequences are severe and far-reaching. We are witnessing droughts, floods, and wildfires on an unprecedented scale, affecting millions of lives and ecosystems. The time to act is now. We cannot afford to wait any longer. Human activities such as industrial emissions and deforestation are the primary drivers of climate change. Our reliance on fossil fuels, rampant deforestation, and unsustainable practices have pushed the planet to its limits, causing irreversible damage. We must change our ways and adopt renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. We need to transition to a sustainable future, embracing green technologies and sustainable practices. The future of humanity is at stake, and it is our responsibility to ensure a livable planet for future generations. We must act urgently and decisively to address the climate crisis, working together on a global scale. We need innovative solutions to mitigate climate change and protect our planet. There is hope, but only if we act now and commit to making a difference. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly emerging as a powerful tool. It has the potential to revolutionize many industries. It can also help us address the climate crisis.
AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions. This capability is essential for understanding and tackling complex environmental challenges.
AI can help us transition to a low-carbon economy. It can optimize energy grids, reduce waste, and develop sustainable transportation systems. AI can also help us monitor deforestation, track endangered species, and protect ecosystems.
Imagine a world where AI helps us predict and prevent natural disasters. Imagine AI optimizing agriculture to reduce its environmental impact. This is the potential of AI for a sustainable future.
AI is already making a difference. Smart grids powered by AI are optimizing energy distribution and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Precision agriculture is using AI to optimize water and fertilizer use, minimizing environmental impact and increasing crop yields. AI is being used to monitor deforestation in real time, allowing for rapid response to illegal logging. AI is also being used to track endangered species and protect biodiversity. These are just a few examples of AI in action. The possibilities are endless. As AI technology continues to advance, its potential for environmental sustainability will only grow. We must embrace these innovations and harness the power of AI for the benefit of our planet. Section 4. Shaping a Greener Tomorrow, the Transformative Power of AI. In this section, we explore how artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but a revolutionary force that can reshape our world for the better.
The future potential of AI for sustainability is immense. From optimizing energy use to enhancing agricultural practices, AI holds the key to a more sustainable future. Imagine AI designing smart cities that minimize their environmental footprint. These cities would